2025 is right around the corner, and if you've been thinking about starting your own business, now is the perfect time. But with so many options, it can get overwhelming. Which ideas are actually profitable? Which ones have long-term potential? Today, we're breaking it down for you. E-commerce opportunities. Online retail isn't slowing down anytime soon, and niche markets are exploding. Instead of selling everything to everyone, focus on a specific audience, eco-friendly products, unique fashion, or personalized items. People love buying things that feel curated just for them, and that's where the real profits come in. Digital marketing services. Every business wants to be online, but not everyone knows how to reach the right audience. If you're skilled at social media, SEO, or content creation, offering digital marketing services can be incredibly lucrative. And the best part? It's scalable. You can start small and grow your client base quickly. Health and wellness trends. People are investing more in their health, both physically and mentally. Fitness coaching, nutrition consulting, wellness products, or mental health services. These aren't just businesses. They're solutions people are willing to pay for. If you enjoy helping others live better lives, it's a win-win. Subscription models. Subscription-based businesses are quietly taking over the market. Curated boxes, exclusive content, or premium memberships create recurring revenue and build loyalty. Customers keep coming back, making it easier to plan and grow your business. Sustainable and green businesses. Consumers want eco-friendly alternatives in every industry, from fashion to energy solutions. Starting a sustainable business is profitable and helps the environment, giving you a huge edge in today's market. The key takeaway? Successful businesses solve problems, create value, and connect with their audience. Combine a smart idea with passion and execution, and 2025 could be your year to launch something extraordinary. So, tell me in the comments, which of these business ideas excites you the most? And don't forget to hit subscribe if you want more insights on starting and growing successful ventures this year. Let's make 2025 the year your business dreams become reality.